Are your website analytics revealing some of your curious insights? To ensure accurate website data, verify your Google Tag Manager configuration. Begin by accessing your Google Tag Manager account and selecting the relevant container. The preview mode is the easiest way to test with. Make sure you are logged into your Google Tag Manager account and select the preview button. This will open a new tab with your website. When Tag Manager is running, you'll see the preview mode pane. This pane, which appears at the bottom of your browser window, it displays a list of tags, triggers, and variables. Navigating your site will update the pane to show which tags are firing and under what conditions. Check carefully within the preview pane for your active tags. Tags that aren't firing require trigger verification, because a red not fired indicator is not ideal. The Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension offers another layer of review. This extension works in the background, pinpointing potential problems. It helps you identify any missing or broken tags, providing you with direct guidance. By using these elements, you will find it simple to verify accurate implementation.